Kalpana ma'am, shall we start?
Am I audible?
Yes, ma'am.
Good evening. And we, the Department of Applied Computing and Emerging Technologies, VISTAS, is happy to have you all to this 5 days FDP on the topic Innovative Tools and Methods in Emerging Technology, conducted by Department of Applied Computing and Emerging Technologies, VISTAS. Today, being a fifth day of this FDP, I request Dr. Sharmila, Professor, Department of Applied Computing and Emerging Technologies, to render welcome address. Madam, please.
Yes, ma'am. Good evening to all present here. On behalf of Wales Institute of Science, Technology and Advanced Studies, I take great pleasure in welcoming all to day 5 of our 5 days faculty development program on innovative tools and methods in emerging technology driven research. I take this opportunity to wholeheartedly welcome our chief guest, Dr. T.Saravanan, Associate Professor, Department of Computer Application, Madanapalli, Institute of Technology and Science, Andhra Pradesh. I also extend a warm welcome to our respected faculty members, participants, and organizers who have joined us this evening. Your active participation is what makes this program meaningful and successful. Once again, I welcome you all and wish the session a great success. Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am, for your warm welcome. May I now request Dr. B.Booba, Professor, Department of Applied Computing and Emerging Technologies, to introduce our chief guest to the gathering. Ma'am.
Good evening, sir. I welcome once again, sir.
Yeah, good evening, ma'am.
Yeah. Dr. T.Saravanan. He has completed his PhD in computer science in Bharathidasan University, and the skill expertise in machine learning and deep learning, and Python and programming in ICT and TPAC. So research, that is the he completed so many research projects and funded project. Then he is done in interest in the artificial intelligence and predictive analytic and computer vision. So applications of AI and education and learning tools. He received so many awards, and he employed as a Madanapalli Institute of Technology in 11, that is the 2024 onwards. Welcome you once again, sir.
Yeah, welcome. Thank you.
May I request Dr. T.Saravanan, Associate Professor, Department of Computer Applications, Madanapalli Institute of Technology and Science, Andhra. He is going to talk on the topic real-time data set, Swiggy Instamart data analysis using Python. Sir, please.
Yeah, yes, ma'am. Good evening for one and of all. Myself, Dr. Saravanan. Just here today, I have a data analysis topics, the Instamart use cases. I have shared my PPTs. Yeah, visible, ma'am? The PPTs are visible?
Yes, sir.
Good evening, all of all. So today I have a data analysis. So my facilitation is machine learning and deep learning, and then healthcare and data analysis. So first of all, so what is data analysis? These are two important words, right? The first one, data. Another one is analysis. The first word, data. So what is data? So everyone know, right? Data. So the data means you have a collection of information, right? The collection of information the based on various types. You like text type or audio type or video type or pictures, anything. So it's a meaningful collection of informations. It's called data. So now is a data analysis. So I have any type of data, I got a some analysis. First of all, why you are taking an analysis? The analysis is very, very important for the nowadays in our business. So many people say you have run the business, but in the business, how to going on? It's a profit or loss, anything you have going, but you have an analysis. It means the data and the collection of data, you have some process of analysis, right? The first data analysis is define a process of cleaning and then transforming and modeling data to discover useful information for the business decision making. The business decision making is a very important. You like you are run with one company or run with one services, everything. But everyone you have in the data, you have a process. So what next? The business, what next? You taking some important decision making. You have using that data analysis. The data analysis, you have a very two important questions you are answering, right? The first one is what is happening? It means in the business, you are run with one business, what is happening or why this happening. Why this happening? So the two important questions you have answering for the data analysis. So many organizations today you have a data analysis to improve the decision making or efficiency or predict future outcomes. And then while you have using that more than industry for the data analysis. So nowadays very booming of the department, the data science and then data analysis. So it's a two important categories. So one is the data scientist, another one is the data analyst. So now you are discussed with only for data analysis and then data analysis, right? So in the various industry you have using the first one in the business and then healthcare, marketing, finance, and then scientific research. So nowadays you are using some more than problems and then solve using that data analysis. So data analysis is nothing but you have analyzing and then taking a decision for the futures. So these are the process of data analysis. These are four important steps you follow that data analysis. First one, data collection. Second one, data preparation or data pre-processing. Third one, data analysis. And last part is a data visualization. So it's a very important of it's a data collections. So how to collect the data? Very important, right? So nowadays you have collected more than ways. One like a sample data. You like download with more than public web pages. You like Google using machine learnings, and then some other public web pages, and then real data sets. You go to collect real data sets, and then you have some sampling data sets. You like quantity data sets or quality data sets, everything. You collect data collections. The data collection is not for 100% accuracy. It means the all data are the not for correct. So it's the next one, data preparation. Why the data preparation? Because the data analysis you have some process of work. So you need original data only. So the data preparation is nothing but First, you are cleaning the data or removing duplicate data, and then noise data. You have remove the noise data. Some steps you have followed that data preparation. After that, the data preparation and the next level of data analysis. So the data analysis is based on the data preparation and then data visualization. So in the visualization, you have taken some decision for the only the graphical images. You are using the graphical images. Nowadays, you are using more than tools available. The data analysis tools available. You like Python, Power BI, Tableau, Kimi, and then etc. etc. So now you are discussed only for data analysis using Python. The use case using for Instamart data, right? The first one, data collections. So data collections is nothing but relevant data, gathering some relevant data. It means, so what are the you like your client? You are in scientist means, so what are the you like your client related data? Just you are collecting data. It's a relevant data from the various source. So the various source means you are using that web pages or surveys or real-time collections or anything. So the data are the your collection, right? In the data you have a integrity and then quality and completeness. So very important. And the first one, data integrity and quality of data. So the quality of data means you have everything some pre-processing. You got some trustful data, and then the data are the very completeness. It's a full data you have collect with full data. In the organized, you have data in the format some suitable of analysis. Some tools you have accept some format of data. So you have a change of the your data formats. You would like in the Python or Google Colab, everything you have collect with CSV formats, right? You collect the data and then change the CSV formats. The second one, data cleaning and then data pre-processing. It means data preparation step. So these are the data preparations. It means you have addressing missing value data and then transforming of data into useful format. A cleaning purpose. It means nothing but the raw data you have here, some noise data you have mingled, or duplicate data you have a mingle, or irrelevant data you have a mingle. It means a data collection for the raw format. After that, you are using data cleaning process. So the cleaning process means you have only collecting with some relevant data for the based on the your client sectors, right? You have removing noise data or removing duplicate data, and then you have choosing that some process. You are using data cleaning and then pre-processing steps. Third one, data analysis. So the analysis means just you have a understand of characters of data. So what you are need the client data. So what are the characters of data? First you have understand. Second one, visualize distribution. It means visualization means thousand equal right? You have using the visual distributions and then identify patterns. So what are the patterns you have followed that data and then calculate summary of statics. So
Excuse me, sir.
yes, no?
I cannot. First slide only. I can see the first slide only. Slides are not moving.
Okay, mom. That's now you are visible, mom.
Yeah, thank you.
So this is a process of data analysis, right? This is the 4 steps already discussed: data collections, data preparations, data analysis, and then data visualizations. The first step is data collections. Second one, data cleaning and then pre-processing. The third step, data analysis. So the data analysis is nothing but the first you have understanding of data. It means what are the characters of data, right? And then visual distributions. So in the visual distributions, you have change on some graphical images. You are using charts or pie charts or etc. the text to some visualizations. Third one, identify patterns. Fourth one, you have calculate summary of statics. It means all data you have here, some working based on the statics formula, right? You are using that data analysis. So in the data analysis, you have help to some hypothesis or refining of analysis of approach. So you are using some hypothetical questions and then refining of the your analysis approach. And the fourth one, data visualizations. So in the data visualizations, very important of the data analyst, everyone. Just you have explained for the client very easily. For example, you have analyzed more than data for 10 pages, 15 pages, like 25 pages. You're given by client means some boring. So the every data you have changed to visualizations. You like one chart, preparation one chart, or some visualization tools you are using. Just what is what. So what's happening? So why this happening? Everything you have visualizing of this part is the data visualizations. It means communicate finding through reports for the visualizations and then presentation or presentations. It's a very clarity of accurate and then using conclusions. In the data visualization, you are using some accurate and then conclusion part. So very helpful. And then recommendation based on the analysis to support some decision making. So it means so what next? It's a predictable data analysis. What next? You're taking some decision making. For example, good example, you have run with one shop or one services. Just you have collected data. A good example for Swiggy. So I have today you have a real-time use case, Swiggy data sets. The Swiggy data sets, now you have collected million of data for the delivery sites. So Swiggy you are using two type of deliveries. So one is food delivery, another one is home product deliveries, right? Just you are, for example, food delivery. Just you have ordering food. So what are the locations? First you are collecting data, the data visualizations, right? So which geographical area you have a number of ordering? The first data you have collected. Second data, so what are the foods you have ordered? You like a veg or non-veg? This is second category analysis. Third step, so you have like vegetarian means which geographic location you have using more than ordering for the veg food or non-veg food. So everything you have analyzed and then some giving by offers. You are next moving. So you're taking some decision making. So everything using the data visualizations. So these are the types of data analysis. These are the sorry. So now we are discuss with types of data analysis. These are the four type of data analysis. The first one descriptive, second one diagnosis, third one predictive, and then prescriptive. So these are the four type of data analysis. The first one descriptive is nothing but you are using some accurate and then a hand for handling from the operations management. It means easy to visualize. The first one, easily to visualize. Second one, say explain why this are happening. The second is a diagnostic analysis. They help to troubleshoot the issues. It means you're finding issues and then solve the how to solve the issues. It means a diagnosis, a data analysis. Third one, predictive means what next. The based on the your historical data. Assume some static business plan everything you have analysis, right? To help to business decision to make to automatic using the algorithms. So in the predictive models, nowadays you are using some machine learning algorithms and then deep learning algorithms or generative AI algorithms. So most of all, you are using machine learning and then deep learning algorithms. It's called already discussed. Machine learning algorithm is three types, right? So one is supervised, another one unsupervised, third one is reinforcement. So the business people many times you are using for the only supervised type of algorithms because so the data are the original data sets, not for raw data. It means a labeling data sets. So you are using supervised algorithms, right? This is the next part you have discussed later. And fourth one, prescriptive of data analysis. It means you have advanced algorithms to test some potential outcomes. You take each decision and then recommend best of course of actions. These are the four type of data analysis. We will discuss the first one, descriptive analysis. Is nothing but understand what happening in the first. In the first analysis, you have analyzing everything, understand what happening in first. For example, you start with business is very dull. So you have go to some one data analyst or data scientist. You go to one data science company. I have improved that my business. In the data analyst, first you discuss with your fast data. You collect your shop fast data. First you have analyzed what happening in past. So understanding of what happened in the past. You're looking up some your historical data and then you summarize. You're making a sense. And then last year to find what product was most popular. Everything you have analyzed and then which time. So which product is most popular of your shop? Something you are analyze. It means descriptive analysis. Second one, diagnostic analysis is means you are finding what happened in the past. So what are the issues for the past or what are the challenges you are faced on the your shop. So everything you are finding out, diagnostic analysis. It means a help to the business the figure out of reasons behind a great of outcomes. So what are the reasons you have here cost of your business? Just you have discussed with the diagnosis analysis. Third one, you have a predictive analysis. It means what next. You have solved the problem and then you have a what next of your organization to put that upcoming opportunities and then challenges. So everything you are based on your historical data. It means your past data. So the past data and then predict with your futures, right? It's a third type of data analysis. Fourth one, descriptive analysis. It means given by some recommendation based on the actions. So in the first three type of analysis, the first type is what happening going on your past. Second step, so what are the issues or what are the problems faced on your past? It means diagnosis. Third one, so what next? You solve the problem and then what next you are based on your business. The fourth analysis, you're given by some recommendations. You're given by some recommendation based on the your past data or your business data. It's a historical data. You're taking off some actions. You like that, for example, your business in the last 5 years or 3 years very slowly moving. It means you have no offers or no some other issues is going on. Just you have recommendations. So you are just you pass on some recommendation. You have implement of your business. It means a pre-descriptive analysis. So these are the four type of data analysis. So now is a very important you discuss with tools for data analysis. So what are the tools you have using for the data analysis or data analyst, right? So nowadays in the marketing is many tools available. You like the good example for Excel sheet. It means spreadsheet. Microsoft is the best one of the data analysis tool. And then most complex statistical softwares also you have available. Very simple means every day you are using Excels, right? The Excel only you are using some nominal uses, but very good data analysis tool. Second one, SAS is the analytical tools for the predictive model. Third one, R programming language. So in the R programming language, you are using that statistical analysis. Next one is Python. So the Python is you are using the best programming language in the world, and then you have more than libraries you are using data science. So Python languages, and then Tableau. So in the Tableau you are using data visualization tool, and then Kimi you have open source platform for the data mining and then machine learning. The last one is Power BI. So Microsoft another data visualization tool. So these are the some tools are using that data analyst. So now you are discussed only for the Python languages, right? So how to use Python programming language using the data analysis for the real-time data sets of InstaMart. So this discuss the very important part. What's the difference between data analyst and then data scientist? So data analyst and then data scientist, some similar, some more than difference, right? The first one, so data analyst. So the data analyst most important knowledge given by database. It means a DBMS, database management system. And then you are using some softwares, data analysis softwares. And then business intelligence tools, you like Power BI, Tableau, or some other tools. And then data visualization tools also. The next one, you have a data scientist. You have learned with first you have basic primary fundamental of computer science, and then machine learning language, machine learning algorithms. You like basics of machine learnings. So how to learn the machines, everything you have some studies, right? Third one, software development, and then big data software tools, and then algorithm development. So these are the data scientist work. So the both are you have using that analytical thinking, the first. Second one, knowledge of programming knowledge. You like Python language or R programming language, Java language. Nowadays you are using Go language. So the data scientists you are using Go language invented by Google company. So you have some basic knowledge of programming languages, and then deserving insights, and then communication with stakeholders. It means your client side, you communicate with your client side. So these are the common comparison of data analyst and then data scientist. So now we are discussed with data analysis in Python. So Python programming language, how to you are using that data analysis. So Python is a very important language for the data analysis. So many library you have using for the Pythons. So the library you have using that a collection of data sets, and then data pre-processing and transforming, analyze, and then visualizing data to extract, supporting of decision making. You have a number of libraries available for the Pythons. So everything you are using. So the data analysis, some library you are using, right? The first one you are using data collection, data cleaning process, analyze, and then visualizations. You are using some libraries. The first library is numerical Python. So numerical Python library provides support for large and then multi-dimensional array and then matrix, along with a collection of mathematical functions to operate the arrays. This a numerical Python is a very important library of data analysis. Second one, Quanta. So in the Quanta library, we are using high performance. It means easy to use data structure like them data frame. It means the data you have formed that one structure. You are using Quantas, and then forecast series data are crucial for data cleaning process. So everything you are using Quanta library. Third one, Matplot library. It means one of the visualization library. You are using that animation, a visualization of in the Python. You create static and then interactive of animation, some visualizations. You are using Matplot library. In the fourth library, you have Cban library. So same, the Cban library also you have a same action of Matplot library. It means a visualization library. You provide high level interface. You're drawing attractive on the implemented statical graphics. So these are the four important libraries. And then you are using some skit learning library or TensorFlow library. This is the number of libraries available. But the basics of data analysis, you have a four type of libraries you are using. So one is numerical Python, second one Fonda, third one Matplot library, fourth one Cban library. So these are the basics and then fundamental of data analysis and then how to using data analysis in the Python tool. So these are the basics. Now you are using that the InstaMart use case. It means a real time data sets, how to using that data analysis. Just I have go for Google Colab. Now I have using. Sorry. You have visible the screen.
Yes, sir.
So just you have one real time examples. You are using Swiggy InstaMart data sets, right? Just I have first you have upload the data sets. I have already stored the data sets. The first data table is customer. Second one order details, order, and then data sets. Just I have input with Google Colab.
எனக்கு ஒண்ணே ஒண்ணுதான் மேடம், அந்த லேப்டாப் தூக்கிட்டு போற மாதிரி சூழ்நிலை வரக்கூடாது. லேப்டாப்பை நான் கொண்டுட்டு போக வேண்டிய சிச்சுவேஷன் வரக்கூடாது. இதை கொண்டு போனா ஒரு 50,000 ரூபாய் பாதுகாத்துக்கிட்டே தெரியணும். இடிச்சிடக்கூடாது, உடைச்சிடக்கூடாது, மறந்துட்டு வந்துடக்கூடாது, எதுவும் டேமேஜ் ஆயிடக்கூடாது. இருந்து போயில பிரசன்ட் ஹார்ட் காப்பி.
Sir.
So I have uploaded four type of data sets. The first one customer, second one data sets in the EST Excel file, and then order details, and then order. So this I have uploaded that for Google Colab. First I have using that libraries, the Fonda libraries. You like input Fonda, some variable as some variable. It means a Fonda's variable, and then input numerical Python library. Third one Matplot library. It means the resolution library. The fourth one library, CBON library. This also you have a visualization library. Just I have run the code. Next one, I have using customers data you have read. I have using Fonta library. So read on the, it means the PD means I have using Fonta library. The read SV files. So what file you have read? Customers.svb format file. So already I have a upload the file. It's like a customer. Just you have run the code. So in the file already you have a read from the customer data tables. The example for the 300 rows and then 5 columns. It means 300 data I have using. The first column is customer ID. Second column, customer name, phone number, address, and then city. So in the customer table, you have only using for the 5 attributes. So one is customer ID, second one name, third one contact number, phone number, address, and then city. So in this file are the read from the Fonta library. Second, I have read from the order table also. So these are the in the order table you have using 4,000 data. The 4,000 rows into 6 data attributes. You like customer ID and then combine of customer order ID and then combine of customer ID, order, date and time, and then which date you have delivered the product. So total amount, delivery status, so delivery or bending or return, everything. All right. So these are the, I have using 6 columns. So one is order ID mapped with customer ID. Second one, order time. It means you are order some product you like that Amazon or some other e-commerce. So the data background you have using collection from the data scientist, and then you are using data analyst. So order, date time, delivery, date time, and then you are ordering product. So what's the amount? Just you like that. The last one, delivery status. So very important. The delivery status, you have the product or delivery or a return or some statical issues. Something you have everything you have using that delivery status column. Next table I have using that order details. So these are the only order. The order detail means which product you have ordered. What are the products you have ordered, anything you have discussed, right? So I have using that order details equal to the read file of order detail SV formats. So these are the some data sets real time. The order ID is 2262. You have using in the, your product name is Clinic Plus shampoo. Quantity 1. It means shampoo bottle. The price unit is 99. Second one, Maggi noodles. And then some you have which product you have ordered. Everything you have combined with your order ID. So the order ID you make with customer ID also. So these are the some examples. So totally you have 10,000 products. You have order data sets in the 5 columns. So in the last I have shared the file, the Sugi files, just you have using and then share your students bank. Next one, I have using customer dot information. It means customer information. It's a data framing. So totally 300 entries 0 to 29 is the data columns. I have using only for customer ID, name, phone number, address, and city. So these are the data types. So which type of data types I have using? The same I have using that order information and then order detail information. So what are the attributes I have used? Which type of data type I have used? Just showing. So these are using that Fanta library. So in the order table, you are using order ID, customer ID, order date time, delivery date time, total amount, delivery status. It means 4,000 entries. So overall 4,000 entries. So these are the data types. So I have using data types, and then same I have using order details informations. So the order detail information, order detail ID, order ID, product name, quantity, price per unit. So it means 10,000 entries. I have using 5 columns, 10,000 data. So these are the 5 stage you have only using that the data collections and then read the data. Right. Next you have using that data cleaning process. First I have checking customer data tables. So what are the nil values? It means some values not filling or some data are missing. So I will check. So any data mismatch data or null correct data available of customer table. So I have using that type of code customers dot is null dot sum. It means suppose any nil columns available means a sum of nil columns available. You have showing that this type of code customers dot is nil dot sum. Just I have run the code. So no nil values. I have using 5 type of attributes. You have using customer table. It's a customer data sets. Customer ID nil, 0, name 0, phone number 0, address 0, city 0. It means so these are the all of original data. So all are original data. It means removing for duplicate data or null correct data. So everything I have removed. Just you are checking. Next one you have checked with is not null for order and then order details data sets. The nil values in the delivery data time is a 76. It means so is a no delivery. Some is a nil values. So delivery in the status delivery or time is not visible means so the product is not delivery or is a return something. So returns return date and time is available. So the 76 is the 76 products are not delivery at present. Just we have is it means a null values. It means not the fill the delivery date and time means. It means the product not for delivery for the customers. Next one you discuss with same is checking on the null values of order details. So order details ID, product name, quantity, price per unit. So everything not for nulls. So these are the you are checking with null values. Next you are checking with any duplicate data. So any duplicate data for the it means repeated you are using duplicate data. You are using that your customers table or order table or order detail tables. Just you have check it. The code is customers dot duplicate dot sum. So no duplicate data for the customer data sets. Second, I have checking order data sets. So no duplicate. The order detail tables also I have checking. So these are the no duplicates. Suppose any duplicate data is available means I have using that crop duplicates. So already you have checking, so no duplicate. So the same data you have visible. So in the customer table you have read the Fonda library. Now you are using some group. It means I have the product you have ordered with which city you have ordered. I have merged on two tables. So it's the customer tables and then order tables. Just I have checked it. So which cities you have order number of products. It means I am using city count equal to customer dot group by. I have only visible that city and then aggregation of customer ID and then count. So I have only using three attributes. So one is city, aggregation of customer ID and then count. Because I have only taken analysis for the which city you have ordered more than products for the Insta Mart. You like some cities, right? So Ahmedabad is a 46 order, Bangalore 34, Delhi 37, Hyderabad 48, Jaipur 49, Mumbai 47, Pune 39. It means so these are the cities. So the Ahmedabad customers you have ordering 46 and then Bangalore 34. Some count. So how many customers you have ordered the product for the particular cities? Just you are using that city count equal to customers table dot group by city. I have only one attributes by the aggregation of customer ID in the count. So I have using city and then customer ID. Second one, I have using join table. So already you are discussed with the join table for the database, right? It's a left join, a right join, or inner join, outer join. So in the join table, you have comparing of the customer table and then order table. You have merge. I have using that Quanta library. So in the BD means Quanta library. So BD dot merge. So join order customer. So I have joined the two data sets. So one is customer data sets, another one order data sets. I have using join order, join table for the left join. So I have using Quanta library, bd dot merge. So I have merged two data sets. So one is customer, another one is order. I have using that left joining format. So the left joining for the custom order table, the right joining for the customer data sets. On the customer ID, how it means I have a inner joining. So join order customers equal to, I have using Fonda library, left equal to order, right equal to customer, and the based on the customer ID and then inner join. Just I have run the code. So is the first left you are using order data sets. So order ID, customer ID, order date time, delivery date time, total number of amount, delivery status. So these are the order data sets. Again, the right side I have using customer data sets. It means customer name, phone number, address, and city. So these are the both of data sets we are using that in a join, because I have a combine of customer ID and then order ID. So the customer, for example, Rohit, I have order with the city. You have the living in Delhi. You have ordered some products. Next one, I have analyzed with revenue cities. It means which city you have a number of revenues. You provide with revenues for the which city you have highest. Just I have analyzed based on the customer data sets and then order data sets. I like that revenue city equal to join order customer dot group. It means city delivery status, the aggregation of order ID based on the count and then total amount. So the total amount means sum. For example, Ahmedabad cities, how many product you have ordered, total number of count, and then total amount. So various client, you have various customer, you have order various product, but you have only analyzed with revenues. A particular city, how to generate the revenues based on the delivery status. So these are the revenue city based on the delivery status. So very important for delivery status. The first one cancelled and then delivery. So the product cancelled for 6. The total amount is 6,578. Successfully you have delivered by 592 based on the total amount. The 4,75,000. And then second one is Bangalore city. So why you have analyzed for the revenue city? It means how many products sell something in a particular city. Just you have analyzed, right? The first one Ahmedabad, second one Bangalore, Delhi, Hyderabad. So how many number of you have cancelled the orders or successfully delivered the orders? So everything I have a analyze, because for example I take a one decision based on the revenue city. You like that more than amount for Hyderabad, and then Jaipur. The first one Jaipur, second one Hyderabad. So I take me some decision. Okay, the Jaipur customers and then Hyderabad customers, you have ordering number of products. So I have here some taking a survey. Which type of product you have again it means a repeated you have a order. Just I have one decision making. Second one, how to improvement my business based on the Jaipur and then Hyderabad. I given by some special offers or some seasonable products. Everything I have here purchasing based on the revenue city data analysis. Second one, finally the Swiggy data mart. How many products are cancelled? How many products are successfully we have delivered? Just I have a delivery status. So I have using status equal to join order customers and then group by delivery status aggregation of total number of amount. It means how many amounts you have the products are cancelled or total number of amount is based on the delivery. Just I have using that code status equal to join order customers by group by delivery status, based on the delivery status and then total amount. So these are the another one analysis. Next one I have using that some visualization tools. I like that using that MATLAB library and then Cban library based on the cancel and then delivery status. It's a Cban library I have using. The x-axis I have using status. It means y-axis total amount. I are using that. The chart color is orange. You are using any colors. Just I have run with code. This is a pie chart. So based on the total amount and then sales by delivery status. So these are the cancel and then delivery, successful delivery. So just I have visualizations. Simply I have using that visualization library. Just so for example 6,000 rupees you have ordered the cancel the order, and then more than 35 lakhs you have delivered successfully. Just you have refer that this type of visualization chart. Second one, the same you are using another one format of in the visualization. It's a pie chart. So order cancelled and then delivery successful. Just I are using the plot dot pie chart. It means status. The status I have based on the total amount. So the label based on the red and then green colors. It means one is delivery is a green color, or red is so cancel the order. It means two colors I have using. In the red color you have only cancel the orders. Green color they successfully deliver the order. So the successfully you have delivered 98% and the cancel order for approximately 2%. So these are the you are using some 4 type of library using that Python based on the data analysis. So these are the some analysis based on the some making a decision. It means you like which product you have popularly move on the particular city. So you have order number of products for the which city. Everything you have analyzed and then next level of your business going on the next levels. This is one real-time example of Swiggy Instamart. So in the same type of data sets you are using your own shops or restaurant or some other products or some other sectors. You like apply that and the same for healthcare or marketing or finance or your shop. For example, you are run with one shop means you have just analyzed for your data and then what next you are moving on the next level of you going on your shops. Just you have simple codes. You are using that data visualizations and then data pre-processing, data collections and read the data. Just I have using only for 4 type of codes I have using that Python. So any queries, ma'am? You have any queries?
Participants, your queries are encouraged. I hope no queries.
Okay, ma'am. Thank you.
So thank you very much for your clear and detailed information. You explained everything about data analysis, starting with the basics of data analytics, its steps, tools used, different types of data analytics, and libraries about pandas. And you are given a hands-on data analysis using real-time data with a simple and clear coding. Thank you very much, sir. May I now request our beloved HOD, Professor Dr. R. Devi, Department of Applied Computing and Emerging Technologies, VISTAS, to propose a vote of thanks.
A very good evening to one and all. It is my privilege and honor to propose the vote of thanks on behalf of the organizing committee for this 5-day faculty development program on innovative tools and methods in emerging trends driven research. Over the past 5 days, we have witnessed an enlightening exchange of knowledge, ideas, and practical insights from distinguished experts, and I am delighted to take this moment to express our heartfelt gratitude. First and foremost, I extend our sincere thanks to our management, Honorable Chancellor, Vice Chancellor, and respected Registrar for their constant encouragement and visionary support, without which this FTP would not have been possible. A special word of gratitude to our organizing committee for this meticulous planning, guidance, and motivation throughout the organization of this program. Our deepest appreciation goes to the eminent speakers who have shared their expertise during each session. I'd like to thank the speaker of first session, Dr. S. Sivagami, Associate Professor, Savita School of Engineering, and Day 2 speaker, Dr. Vignesh Ramamurthy, Professor Lead and Associate Professor, Amit University, and the speaker of Day 3, Dr. Konda Hari Krishna, Associate Professor, Department of Computer Science, Andhra Pradesh, and Day 4, speaker, Dr. M. Ravi, Associate Professor, Raichur, Karnataka, and Day 5 speaker, Dr.T.Saravanan, Associate Professor, Andhra Pradesh. Each one of you has not only delivered knowledge but also inspired us to think beyond conventional approaches and embrace innovation in our research pursuits. I also wish to thank all the participants for their active involvement, curiosity, and enthusiasm, which kept every session lively and interactive. Our heartfelt thanks to the organizing team, and my special thanks to Dr. Booba and my dear faculty members, for this flawless coordination, ensuring that the sessions ran smoothly, whether online or offline. Finally, on behalf of the organizing committee, I once again express our deepest gratitude to everyone who contributed directly or indirectly to the grand success of this faculty development program. Thank you all. Thank you so much.
Thank you, ma'am. I request all the participants to fill up the feedback. It's time to leave. Thank you all.
Thank you, ma'am.
இது அமர்த்தமா ஓபிஎஸ் அமர்த்தணுமா எனக்கு சொல்லி கொடுத்தாங்க. இருங்க நான் ஒரு தடவை பண்ணி பாக்குறேன். ஃபர்ஸ்ட் வந்து யூடியூப் லைவ் ஸ்ட்ரீம் போய் எண்ட் ஸ்ட்ரீம் கொடுக்கணும். எண்ட் தென் இது முடிச்சிட்டு ஓபிஎஸ்ல போய்